got a dry, unproductive cough that I cannot kick, so let's make some tea. This is a decoction infusion. Because I'm using both root herbs and leaf herbs, I'm going to decoct the root herbs on the stove and then add that tea to the leafy herbs so they can all steep together. Mullein is a respiratory tonic, so I'm using some of that, as well as hibiscus because it's rich in antioxidants. And this tea needed some flavor. I'm also adding slippery elm because its mucilage will soothe my irritated throat. And of course licorice root because it's both expectorant and demulcent, so it soothes the irritation but also breaks up the mucus. As always, I'll be having multiple cups of this throughout the day, and I'll re-steep.